In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory quantity in QuickBooks Online. If you need to correct the stock count for one of your products, QuickBooks Online makes it fairly straightforward. This is useful when you've done a physical inventory count, noticed a discrepancy, or simply need to bring your records up to date so your numbers stay accurate. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're using the correct company file before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one business. Since inventory updates affect your records, it's always a good idea to take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're logged in, go to Sales, and then select Products and Services. This is where QuickBooks stores the items you sell, including inventory products. You'll be able to view your list and find the specific item that needs to be corrected. Now locate the inventory item you want to adjust. If you have a long list of products, you can scroll through it carefully or use the search feature to find the item faster. Be sure to select the correct product, since changing the wrong item could throw off your inventory tracking. After you find it, click the inventory item's name to open its details. This will take you into the item record, where you can review the current information associated with that product, including the quantity on hand. Next, look for the Quantity on Hand section and click Adjust Quantity. This option allows you to manually update the item count when the amount in QuickBooks doesn't match what you actually have available. Enter the new quantity on hand based on the correct inventory count. This should reflect the actual amount you want QuickBooks to track moving forward. Take your time here, because even a small number change can impact reports, stock availability, and inventory value. Before saving, review the adjustment details carefully. Double-check that the item is correct and that the quantity you entered matches your intended update. This quick review helps prevent mistakes and saves time later. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will then apply the change and update the item's quantity on hand in your inventory records. That's all it takes to adjust inventory quantity in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your inventory accurate helps with reporting, order management, and overall bookkeeping, so it's worth checking these numbers regularly. Thanks for watching.